Hey YouTube, I hope you're all okay. I just got finished babysitting, and so I wanted to give you guys a little update. I am on my way home. I'm okay. I'm not looking at the camera, probably as you can tell, but I'm gonna try to go to the grocery store and see how much damage is done there, to see if I can get some stuff to cook for tonight, and that'll probably last me a few days. So I'm gonna do that, get some bottles of water, hopefully. I will, I guess, try to upload a new video when I am in the store, because I'm about 3 miles out. I guess I hit record way too soon. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and again, I'm going to keep this going as long as I can through the entire process of me experiencing Tropical Storm Gordon. And they canceled my rehearsal tonight, so I don't have to drive an hour and a half away in this weather towards the weather, so that's a relief. Trying to think what else. Yeah, I'll hook back up with you guys when I'm in the store.